In this video I'm going to show you how to find draft reels on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, let's say I want to create a reel, so I opened up my Instagram app, and now all I have to do is hit on the plus sign and select a reel there. Now I can use my camera, or I can select some video or photo from my gallery. I can hit add, I can hit next, next again, and now on that stage, if I don't want to share that reel right now, I can hit back again and hit on that cross icon until it comes, and there select save as draft to save that reel as draft. And now let me show you how to find that reel. And all you have to do is hit there on your profile icon, and there just above your post hit there on that reels icon, and it's actually drafts icon. So now there I got the last draft that I have just made. I can click on that, I can select it, and now I can continue creating that draft. I can write there some caption, tag people, and bunch of other different options, and now I can share that reel. That's how it works. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.